बॅलन्स कित्या खातीर म्हत्वाचें? वॉट हॅपन्स एक्चुअली?
So if your body, if you are in a good posture, then your muscles are in balance.
Absolutely.
Okay, flexibility, mobility सगळे सारखे उरता. Okay, your front side of the body with respect to the back side is all in balance.
बरोबर.
Okay, even when you sit straight, now imagine your head is about 5 to 6 kgs roughly. Okay, that is in neutral position.
Correct.
But otherwise, if you keep looking down or if you keep bending forward, because of gravity, your body, your head is taking so much load. Your other neck muscles are working extra to keep your head from falling down, basically.
Okay.
So these are some of the issues that can happen if you don't maintain that alignment. Okay, so that's why it is important to keep a good posture, for a balanced
Balanced
balance
body.
of all the muscles,
muscles and
the joints.
Correct, absolutely.
Right.